Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, Google has recently started rolling out a helpful new feature that lets you translate text and images into the language of your choice. It's using the same technology as the AR Translate tool for Google Lens. Now the main difference between Google Lens and the new Google Translate Images feature is that Google Lens is an image recognition tool, while Google Translate is a language translation tool. While both tools use similar technologies, they serve different purposes. Anyway, if you go to the Google Translate website, you will see a new Images tab. Click it, and you'll be asked to upload an image or screenshot in jpeg, jpeg, or png formats from your computer. Let's upload one. After uploading, Image Tool will detect the language of your image and instantly translate it to the language you set as default. If you want to translate this image into another language than your default language, Google has provided 133 languages for your convenience. You can choose any one of them. You can also compare your translation side by clicking this Show Original button. This tool also allows you to copy the translation and download translated image. Also at the bottom, you will see 3 buttons: History, Saved, and Contribute. So this was the new feature of Google Translate. For more quick updates, please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.